Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to improve your everyday life. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their air clean and their home running smoothly. The Filtrete 16x20x1 AC Furnace Air Filter, MERV 5, MPR 300, 6-pack. This is the best AC filter 16x20x1, and it's going to help you breathe easier and keep your HVAC system in top shape. Let's start with the basics. The Filtrete 16x20x1 AC Furnace Air Filter is designed to capture a wide range of unwanted particles that can affect your indoor air quality. With a MERV 5 rating and a MPR 300, this filter traps larger particles like dust, lint, and household dust mite debris. This is an ideal choice if you're looking to maintain clean air without compromising airflow. One of the standout features of this filter is its exclusive 3M technology. Filtrete's 3-in-1 technology works by attracting and capturing these particles while letting cleaner airflow through. It's a game changer for people who want a balance between efficiency and maintaining the longevity of their HVAC system. It's important to note that this filter is made for use in both air conditioners and furnaces. It's a versatile option, whether you're using it for cooling or heating, and the electrostatic design ensures a high level of performance. This filter's 1-inch pleated design means it's both easy to install and maintain while providing 3 months of effective filtration before needing a replacement. Another key benefit is energy efficiency. A dirty air filter can make your HVAC system work harder, which increases energy consumption. By replacing the filter every 90 days, you'll keep the system running efficiently, saving you money on energy bills while improving the air quality in your home. In terms of size, this 16x20x1 filter comes in a 6-pack, making it an excellent value for homeowners who need to replace their filters regularly. Each filter measures at an actual size of 15.69 by 19.69 by 0.81 inches, ensuring that it fits most standard HVAC systems without issue. If you're tired of dealing with dirty air, allergens, or an inefficient heating and cooling system, the Filtrete 16x20x1 AC Furnace Air Filter is exactly what you need. For a cost-effective and efficient way to improve your home's air quality and the performance of your HVAC system, this filter is a top choice. So, if you're looking for the best AC filter in the 16x20x1 size, this Filtrete 6-pack is a great investment. Be sure to check out the link in the description to grab yours today, and remember to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on products that make your life easier.